I believe anyone can be a gardener. I am bringing to you my experiences, not just in teaching, but as a human being who has gardened on this planet. You're gonna get lecture, where you'll see me give you an overall understanding of the topic, demos where you'll be able to see visually how to do the work, panel discussions and interviews that will help further the conversation. What I'm hoping it will do is spark your interest and allow you to have enough to go out and learn more. When we garden, we are not just building healthy soil, we are actually creating solutions for climate change. When we are cultivating land, we are part of Earth's natural process of cycling water and phosphorus and carbon. Our hands are involved in that natural process. We have the ability to impact that process in a way that's negative, but add to it. And gardening is one of those practices that is thoroughly connected to those types of solutions. I am Tashonda Giles Jones, and this is your introduction to regenerative gardening.